Hello guys, it's me Sophia, and in this video I will be growing carrots, corn, and lettuce, 2 different varieties of lettuce. And at the end of this video I will show you my watermelon that I planted a while ago, which was in the last video you saw, one of my clips, and let's get started. Let's go. Just like you know, it's getting a little kind of thundery, kind of weird, but let's get started. Here are my seed packets. We got our corn, we got our lettuce, Paris Island, romaine, carrots, scarlet lettuce. Now I am going to grab my pot. Now for this part, I am grabbing potting mix and garden soil, mixing it together so that way we get a nice blend. Okay, I got my pots and I got my seeds. I picked out my lettuce. Now I'm going to separate the pots, obviously, and add some soil to them. Once that is all done, I open my lettuce, make sure I have enough seeds, not too much, and plant them in there. And a little soil on top. Next one is my next lettuce, and I'm potting it in there. Got my little label in there, and I got my 2 labels for my lettuces. Then I'm gonna grab some more dirt, and I open my, I think those are my corn, and then I'm going to put the things in there, setting some extra soil. Now the last pot, so I'm going to pit some carrots. Alright, and see here, I actually got a little too much. Sorry about that, but yeah, and then I planted some of them in the thing that my grandma built, and I added some soil on top of them. And don't worry, that was an extra pot, and yeah. Time to water. First we have our lettuce, and we have our more lettuce right here. We have corn. And we have carrots. Perfect. Let's put them in the greenhouse. And here's the watermelon. Right in there, here's a little sproutling. It's raining. It's raining. Also remember to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, like the video, and watch the next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.